To manage your patterns and ensure you will receive email notifications sent to your inbox, please click on the Patterns section in the navigation panel, and then select Manage Patterns. In this section, Manage Patterns, you'll see a collection of all the patterns that you have saved. Now, to transfer one or more patterns to the calendar and receive email notifications, simply mark the instrument that you would like an email notification for, and then add these to your calendar by hitting on the Selected tab and clicking Add to Calendar. Now, the first option that you've done has been completed. You have added the instruments to your calendar. But in order to receive email notifications, you still need to do one more step. So switch to your calendar setting in the Patterns area in the navigation panel and just simply select My Calendar. And now your calendar has the patterns marked. But in order to make sure you receive the email notification, you need to make sure that this slider is moved across so it's colored, and you can see this way the blue color indicates that you will be notified by email. Now that you've clicked on Notify Me, you will receive an email about an upcoming seasonal pattern in your inbox 3 days before the pattern starts, as well as 3 days before it ends. This way, you will make sure that you will no longer miss promising investment opportunities for your portfolio.